1966 Ferrari 330 GT2 Plus 2. A fascinating car from the stables of Maranello, because this marks the point where Ferrari's customer base came back to Enzo and asked for more luxury. Well, it's often said that the heart of every Ferrari lies under the hood in the engine bay. Let's take a look at the heart of the 330. Underneath the very lightweight engine cover sits the world famous, the iconic Colombo V12. But this one differs from everything that went before due to its cylinder displacement. Rather than 250, this is known as the 330, hence the name of the car. 330cc displacement for 12 cylinders gives us a grand total of 4 litre. Twin ignition systems, 2 distributors and 2 coils, and 3 downdraft Webers feeding the 12 cylinders. I love this car because it marks a transition in Maranello's history. No longer is Enzo merely repurposing old race cars, but its customer base is demanding luxury and demanding luxury sports cars from Ferrari.